Assalamu alaikum. Last time we have discussed about some natural forces like water force, wind force, gravity, etc. Today we will discuss about friction. Friction is also a natural force. Friction is a force which is produced when the surfaces of two objects just touch each other. For example, if we roll a ball across a table, it will continue rolling for some distance and then comes to rest. In this case, we use force to start the ball rolling, and after some time, the ball slows down and comes to rest because of friction. Similarly, if we rub our palms together several times, we feel heat. In this case, friction produces heat. So, friction produces heat. Now we will discuss about some effects of friction. Friction slow down, stops, and make it hard for an object to move. Now we will discuss about some advantages of friction. Friction play an important role in our daily lives. It helps us in many ways. The friction between our shoes and the ground stops you from slipping. Frictional force help cars to move forward without slipping on the road. Friction help you to ride. Think if the ground is slippery, what happens? We slip and fall because of the amount of friction is less. Similarly, in case of pencil, the pencil would slip out our finger if there is no friction between pencil and your finger. Without friction, your pencil would run over the page and not leaving a mark. Thank you.